Hey, it's Jackie and welcome to another crafty video. Today our project is a single layout Disney page. I'm going to Disneyland October and I want to get started on it right now. Now, I'm going to tell you what you need to make this page, but you can also order this kit through me and I'll give you the details at the end of this video on how to do that. Let's get started. Okay, so the supplies you're going to need to make this single page layout is, and this is the most important one, is this Mickey Mouse head. Now this measures 9 1/8 inches and it's made out of black cardstock. I got the template for this off Etsy, I believe, and it was just cut on my Cricut. The next thing you're going to need is some white cardstock for your base, this B&T paper. It's a red with white polka dots and it's a close to my heart paper, but it is retired. 6 inches of the matching zip strip, and the B&T paper is cut 6 by 12. You're also going to need some blue photo mats. And these ones are cut 4 inches and 2 3 3/4 inches. And I'm pretty sure you can guess where these pictures are going to go. Now I've also cut out some white cardstock, and these are just going to be my photo placeholders. I've also cut out a red circle, and this one measures 3 inches, and then the blue circle that goes on top of it measures 2.5, and then a white circle on top of that, and this one measures, sorry, I was distracted by my dog crying at me. This one measures 2 inches. You're also going to have some little sparkly rhinestones, because what is Disney without the bling? I'm also going to be using some black ink and some red ink. I'm using the cranberry, which is retired right now, but it matches my B&T paper. My title is made out of thin cuts, and I'm using the blocked alphabet and the blocked numbers. And the stamp set I'm using is also retired, and it is called Magical. I'm using the banner and this little sentiment here that says, if you can dream it, you can do it. And it's a Walt Disney quote. The banner says, dreams do come true. And then I also have my little piece of white cardstock that I will stamp my banner on. All right, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach our B&T paper onto our white cardstock. Then we're going to put our Mickey Mouse ears right there. We need to leave room at the bottom for our title. All right. This is such an easy layout to do. And if you want to order the kit, it comes with anything that you need stamped, pre-stamped, because I don't expect you to have the stamp set. And it also comes with all the circles and the Mickey Mouse ears pre-cut. So pretty much all you have to do is you'll have to do a little bit of cutting for the banner and assembly. And we'll just stick our zip strip right here. We'll just slide it underneath the Mickey Mouse head, like so, and then just trim that off. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is put our photo mats down. Now, like I said, the photo mats are a 4-inch circle and 3 3/4 inch circles. We'll just put that one there. And then these ones in his ears. Now, I haven't used circle pictures in a long time, but I'm going to on this one because this is going to be the title page to my Disney album. And then these are just my photo mats. Whoops. Now, when I put these on, because I don't have any pictures yet, when I attach these on, I just put one little piece of tape right in the center so that they're easy to get off when I need to put my pictures in. Now, I also like these because they're a good idea. I can just put them over my picture, see if the picture is going to fit, and I can even use them if I need to trace out and cut my picture. So now we're going to make our mat for our sentiment. And like I said, our sentiment says, if you can dream it, you can do it. So cute. We got this stamp set. It was part of a Constant campaign not long ago, but it was also our stamp set for one of our conventions in Disneyland. So I actually have 2 of these, but I use them both. I'm not sure why, but I do. So I can't part with a Disney stamp ever. So this one I am attaching with 3D squares. And then I will just overlap it on this picture mat, but I'm not going to put it on it so that I can take this off easily and put my picture in easily. And then the next thing I'm going to do is cut out my Dreams Do Come True banner. All right, so once my banner is cut out, I'm going to 3D tape it just along this picture here. And I have the 3D tape on the edges, so again, I can slide my picture in and out easily. The next thing we're going to do is just add some bling to our layout. And you have 5 of the bigger ones and 5 of the smaller rhinestones in your kit. Or if you don't have a kit, you're going to use, well, you can use as many as you want. I've used 5 of each. So after I attached my rhinestones, I attached my title. And the title of mine is Disneyland 2019. Because like I said, This is going to be the first page of my scrapbook. So I'll just have some smaller group pictures in front of the castle or wherever in Disneyland. And this is a great title page. Now, if you want to order this kit, what you need to do is email me. The cost is $20 plus $5 for shipping. So you'll email me with number 1, your address, and number 2, I need to know what you want on there. I will custom make it Disneyland, Disney World, Disney Life, a year if you like. If you're 3 years behind and you need one that says 2016, no problem. And I will get that out in the mail to you once I get a Etransfer to my email. Otherwise, like I said, the Disney ears are 9 1/8 inch if you want to do that on your Cricut. I just bought this template off Etsy, and it's such a simple layout. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And if you'd like to join me for more workshop videos like this one, full of different tips and techniques, hit that subscribe button. If you'd like more information on any of the products used in this video, I'll put a link down below, or you can email me at creativecookie@gmail.com. That's creativecookie@gmail.com. And if you'd like to order this layout kit, you could email me, like I said, at the same email address. Now, I only have a certain amount of kits, so the first 20 are the ones who get them. So if you have any other questions or you would like to leave a comment down below or email me. Thanks, and see you next time.